Hey everybody, today afternoon we went kayaking actually in the underground world of Peca. You can also swim there actually, and one of our crew members, Petra, she went to swim there. It was really crazy. You remember yesterday I told you about nice Slovenian ladies in Ljubljana, and guess what? We went to 700 meters underground and we met the beautiful Slovenian ladies on the posters there from the miners. And it seems to me, wherever you go, you just meet beautiful ladies here. I recommend it to you because I love the feeling of riding a kayak in abandoned mine in the dark, only with a headlamp on your head.